Hello, everybody. This is our presentation for our senior project for EEE 192. These are some of the people that are working on the project. Myself, Justin, Andre, Kashif, Bruce, and Brix. Our project is Smart Electric Solutions. Through the research that we have done, we have found that lighting is a big contributor to energy consumption, around 5% in residential and 15% in commercial. That is a significant amount of consumption just coming from lighting alone. Imagine the impact we could have on our energy consumption and the environment by just making a few changes to our lighting habits and adopting LED technology. It is important for us to remember that every small step we take towards energy efficiency will make a difference. As seen by the Department of Energy's research, they concluded that switching to LEDs can save up to 75% energy usage. Let's face it, everyone hates seeing their high electric bills, but what if I told you there was an easy solution to help you save money on your month-to-month bill? We are building a software platform to evaluate clients' electricity use and recommend efficient solutions with lighting, sensors, appliances, with our main goal being help to customers save money. Majority of people will benefit from the software since 53% of households in America have insufficient lighting. On to Andre.
The problem is that we consume more energy than we need to. Our homes and office buildings are outdated, and technology that was efficient decades ago is inefficient now. Think of all the appliances that you have left plugged in your home when you left this morning, leaving lights throughout the home and office buildings where it's not needed, using outdated appliances that consume more electricity than newer versions. All of that can sum up to a costly energy bill. In fact, we have the technology to minimize the energy consumption only if we set it up correctly. On to Jerus.
Let's face it, as much as we believe in saving the environment, if it doesn't make financial sense, it isn't just going to happen. Based on the chart below, you can see why smart electric solution works. Why LED seems to be the easiest answer. The initial cost is quite a little bit higher, and LEDs are not corrected for all areas. Let one of our lighting professionals walk through your facility and do a free audit and see what your exact saving would be. No high pressure sales ever. We will send you a proposal and you decide. What kind of light do you have? Let's calculate your savings. Next. We're currently at phase 2, where we're working on the pseudocodes and flowchart and the wire diagram, and we're estimated to finish by phase 6 in December. On to Kashif.
The software, let's talk about the procedure to find and validate the problem. Software we're building is a Python-based software. Basically, we will be collecting data from the customer. For example, that the light bulbs, they have kind of light bulbs, the wattage, how many hours they average use. Next slide. But looking at that data on the back end, it will be referenced to our generated data, and it will decide, the software will decide which areas of the home we can improve and the necessary products to make the improvement to lower your electricity bill and benefit the environment as well. Next to Brix.
Our target audience is important to us. We wanted to find a specific group that was paying the most on their electric bill. After doing some research, United States residents was paying the most and commercial coming in second. There is 3 million commercial buildings and over 12 million housing in California alone that need our help. Next slide. We wanted to help the environment by lowering the amount of power that is needed to generate. Power companies won't need to generate as much, and the possibility of removing harmful energy sources such as petroleum. Petroleum is one of the lowest source of energy and requires drilling, wildfires, and even climate change. We hope to remove this soon. Thank you.